Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at the XP Pen Deco Mini 7W graphics tablet. Regular viewers of this channel may think this tablet looks familiar. It is, it's an upgraded version of the Deco Mini 7. This one has wireless functionality. Inside the box is the tablet, the warranty guide, an accessory pack containing pen, USB-A to USB-C lead, pen nibs, extractor tool and USB adapters for connecting to an Android tablet or phone. The tablet itself is a 7-inch tablet with 8 shortcut keys down the left. On the reverse are the 4 rubber keys to stop it slipping on your desk. The keys feel nice when pressed and offer a small resistance. On the side is the USB port and power button for connecting wirelessly to your laptop. The accessory pack contains all the usual stuff: the pen, warranty guide, quick start guide, leads and accessories. This is the USB-C to USB-A cable, spare pen nibs, USB adapters for using with a tablet or Android phone, nib extractor tool, and of course the wireless USB receiver. This is another nice pen from XP Pen. It has a nice rubber grip and is a 2-button affair. Feels light and nice to hold. The USB-C wireless receiver plugs into your laptop. You then press the power button for 3 seconds on the tablet, and once the blue light is fully on, it means connection has been made. The pen only needs to be 10mm from the tablet to register, as you can see with the white LED. The pen feels nice to use, and as you can see the strokes taper nicely. Pressure sensitivity works well with 8,192 levels. And now here comes the obligatory drawing for testing these tablets. I had a small problem connecting initially, but once the connection had been made, it never dropped once after that. I was able to draw for quite some time. Although this is a wireless tablet, you can use the cable provided. Actually, to charge a tablet you'll have to use the cable. It takes around 2 hours to charge. full charge you should expect to get 10 hours worth of drawing from this tablet. The drawing experience with this tablet is really nice. The pen glides across the tablet and feels very good to use. The shortcut keys worked perfectly. I was able to zoom in and out, undo and access the driver settings at the click of a button. To access the driver software, press the top button. It's here you can adjust the pen sensitivity and remap the buttons, and also remap any of the 8 shortcut keys should you so wish. I tend to just leave them at the default settings. This is another nice little tablet from XP Pen and is perfect for transporting from home to the office. If the connection drops, just make sure the blue light is lit. This is another nice tablet from XP Pen and comes thoroughly recommended. Leave any comments below and don't forget to subscribe. This is the way. I'll see you next time.